Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe that is so mind-blowing, so easy, yet so impressive. Only 3 ingredients and this cheesy potato cake has now become one of my favorite go-to recipes. Shocked my guests. They couldn't believe that it was just 3 ingredients. That's what I love about cooking, being able to wow people with very little effort. Now let me show you exactly what you will need. 2 large potatoes. Yes, you heard me right. 2 large potatoes. Now, if you don't like the skin of the potato, go ahead and peel them. But I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the flavor and the texture that the skin brings to the table, so I'm gonna leave mine on. Next up, grab your cheese. And whatever you do, don't be shy with it. We're going with 1 cup of shredded cheese. Now you can use cheddar. You can use mozzarella. Honestly, the choice is yours. And lastly, but most importantly, we are going to need an egg. If you haven't already, go ahead and wash your hands. Let's get into the fun part. Oh, and before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. And I promise to stick around. Alright, my friend, this is it. All 3 ingredients. No flour, no milk, no butter, nothing else. Just these 3 ingredients. By the way, this is a great way to use up leftover cheese that you may have in your fridge. Speaking of which, you can make this entire recipe dairy-free by using vegan cheese and a flax egg. So first things first, let's start by grating our potatoes. Now you can either peel them first or grate them first. It's totally up to you. But after you finish grating both of your potatoes, it should look something like this. You want to transfer that over to a large bowl like this. I'm using all of the potato that I grated. By the way, you can use a food processor. If you don't want to grate the potatoes yourself, that's totally fine. After that, crack your egg right on top. Go ahead and mix that all together. As you can see, the potatoes will release some sort of starchy liquid. That is totally fine. In fact, that's what we want. Then go ahead and fold in your cheese until fully combined. Taste it, adjust the seasoning, and you are ready to bake. You can either bake this in a preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or you can bake this in an air fryer. I personally prefer baking it in the oven, but for the sake of time today, I'm going to air fry it. Pour half of the mixture into a greased air fryer pan. If you don't have a pan that fits, you can line the bottom of your air fryer with parchment paper. That works too. Pour half of the mixture in, spread it out evenly, and then repeat the process with the remaining batter. Bake both pans at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. You can either serve this as it is or you can top it with even more cheese. Would you serve this for breakfast or dinner? Drop a in the comments if you'd try it. While this is baking, you can prepare the sauce of your choice. My favorite thing to do is to top it with a homemade pesto sauce or a marinara sauce. For today, I am going to go with a simple marinara sauce because it really complements the flavors of the dish. I'll have the recipe for the marinara sauce and the pesto sauce linked below if you are interested in making one of those. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. And I promise to stick around. It's so easy. Even my 6-year-old son can make this. He loves it when I make it for him in the shape of a heart. He takes it to school and all of his friends are so jealous. By the way, I have a toddler and he gets so excited every time we bake because guess what? Baking is fun. It's not complicated. And once you master a few basic techniques, you can easily make almost anything. Subscribe for more recipes that look gourmet but take minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Enjoy your cheesy masterpiece.